Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in order to get information about promotions and offers on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the either the home button in the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on the settings button at the top of the screen, and then click on notifications in the right side down below to get personalized information on offers and promotions. If you want to turn it off, just come back to this section and then click on this button again and it will be turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.